Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick BTC update for you here. I'm gonna go straight to the charts. So, number one, I want to just emphasize this. You have your price going up basically, and then you have your divergence in volume, and this is the 1 hour time frame. So I'm expecting this to roll over. I'm not gonna say crash yet, but I do expect rollover. It will crash if the ADX decides to go on a wild run basically. But yeah, for now I'm expecting a pullback definitely. I will tell you where the pullback is headed, and this pullback is still hasn't started yet. In my opinion, it's about to start. This is just the beginning. If we're lucky, if BTC does manage to consolidate, what's most likely is going to happen is consolidation, wick to the upside, and then dump again. And the pullback will be stronger if that happens as well. For now, the 1 hour time frame is looking at a pullback. We already have your bearish MACD cross on the 1 hour, so your pullback is right there. In my personal opinion. So yeah. There's nothing about the 1 hour that I can say. Let's see this. Yeah, you have a potential bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So like I said, a probable consolidation. You have your up like this here, and you have like this, your lower. So hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So probably, like I said, some type of consolidation and then probably dump after this happens. And I'm saying this is because you have low volume, divergence in volume, bearish divergence. So I'm going to go to the 2 hour now to see what's up as well. So like I said, 2 hour about to pull back as well. Do we have a divergence? Let's see. Actually, no, we are overextended though, definitely, especially from the EMAs. So we need to at least go there. So it will be a good sign if Bitcoin does consolidate, which I'm expecting. I think this is what the market's gonna do. It's gonna consolidate a little bit, wick and drop. Not like that, but just basically pull back. And yeah, and you can see that the 2 hour is also going for that pullback region. But since we're consolidating, that's what I expect. I expect this stochastic to do this to cross, but these two consolidate still. Probably do one more wick and then do the proper pullback, in my personal opinion. Yeah, anything else? Let's see, divergences, no bearish ones. Yeah, no, looking good on the 4 hour, on the 2 hour, sorry, just basic pullback. But I explained how the pullback will play out. 4 hour a little bit different. 4 hour we are extended, way extended above the EMAs, coming in around 45k to 44k region, 44.5. So this is your 40, your EMA retrace, your pullback region, I think. Most likely, if we do keep consolidating, these will keep moving up, but I will keep this region right here as your how to say, your important region. So this one right here and this one right here. These two are basically the region that you need to take care of and you need to watch out for. And I mean, if you break below this, it's very bad for Bitcoin. Is extremely bad. I don't want Bitcoin to do this, to go below this region. If we want this upside to continue, at least we need Bitcoin to stay above, or else if it does this, it's gonna probably do this and then go down to here, do this, and then go down below, retest, then go down below, and keep going down below more and more and more. So yeah, we need to pay attention for this, to this, definitely, for sure. One thing I can note is someone was calling this an inverted bearish flat formation, which I think it is as well. You have your bearish flat over here, and then you're probably gonna have your extended C wave, which is this one right there, and we can basically tell where this C wave might go. You can assume that this is your A wave from here to here. Let me reverse this. So yeah, so it's already at the 1618. It could probably go a little bit more, which is normal in these flat formations. Let's see here, where did it go? I don't really expect it going that much above the A wave. I'm gonna just take an average and say this is my A wave. So you can see it went to this. Actually, you can say your A wave is still here as well if you want to be more. But this is another. This is the futures chart. So it's gonna vary slightly in the futures chart. So yeah, let's be conservative and just let's take the 30K region to make it our A wave, in my personal opinion. So yeah, this is your A wave. It did go to this region right here, and we can actually calculate what this region is. So maybe, I don't know, we can do a 2, I think. I think a 2 is a well. Yeah, so like a times 2 from that region, the tops that it went to. So if you apply this also to this and do another times 2, we can just assume where it might go. So it's that 50K region for that C wave as well. So yeah, just be careful because this looks like an inverted bearish flat, and which most likely it is. And it's very uncanny because it has your ABC formations very, very well, by the way, very proper ABCs. Your 1, 2, 3s basically. You can see them; they come in like a triangle forms, ABC, ABC, and then you finalize and then you pump. So yeah, this is something to watch out for. And like I said, we break this level, you can expect that 50K region again for that C wave retrace, and then basically after that, I think another drop to the downside, similar to what's happening here, similar to what happened here as well. So this is an inverted bearish flat. This is just another inverted bearish flat as well. So we can expect this to happen again, but just probably a little bit stronger than before. So just pay attention to that. These levels basically. Your 4 hours about to pull back as well. You can see already from the charts. You do have a bearish divergence, which we talked about yesterday. If we cannot break above 48.8 on the live stream, I said this on YouTube. So you do have your bearish divergence, which we also need to take care of. About it's right there in front of us. So even though it doesn't look like a bearish divergence, but it is. Oh, let's see, how much did the price go here on perpetuals? The high was 48.4, and here your high was 48.7. So technically it is, but it's not that strong. But it is a divergence, no matter what, and you can find it on your MACD as well. So that's why I'm telling you, for now, I expect a pullback at least to this region right there, to the 45K region. It could take a few hours to play out. I'm not saying 4 or 5. It could take longer than that because this is the 4-hour time frame. But yeah, 4-hour looking for a pullback. We hold that region. We can expect to go up again for one more leg up to reach that 50K region before another dump to the downside, in my personal opinion, because the larger time frames are still bearish, and you still have a bearish volume divergences as well. Let's go to the 6-hour to see if there's anything up in the 6-hour. So yeah, similar situation in the 6-hour. My best guess is consolidation wick dump if it's gonna play out. You also have your bearish divergence on the 6-hour as well, your hidden bearish divergence, which just basically signals more downside. So yeah, and also overextension from the EMAs coming in around 45K region. So this is the region that we need to pay attention to right now. We break below, it's bad. We hold the support, it's probably gonna bounce up, do that 50K, and probably dump again, properly dump again. Yeah, so that's the 6, and I'm gonna go to the 12. The 12, not looking that bad actually. It still has some slight upside left, but I don't think it's too much of an upside. Probably a few days, give or take 3 to 4 days. And by upside, I mean, I think that 49, 50K region, and then dump again from here. From now on, the short term is a pullback, definitely a pullback coming. And the daily, you cross bullish on the daily, which is good. But if the higher time frames are bad, and this is bad, it's not good, because I think we're reaching that overextended region too fast without the price moving up too fast. And so I expect something like that. If it does go above the 70, then we might have a nice rally up, and then we talk again, similar to this situation right here. So yeah, a nice rally and then a pullback. And if it does get rejected around sorry, the 80 region, so yeah, if it does get rejected over that area, it's going to be probably very bad as well. It's just like a double top, most likely, which we currently are looking to form. And this looks like a double top formation as well. What else? Do you have anything here? So let's see. No, everything is still. We did break a trend line here. Probably gonna go for a retest and try to find a new trend, which is expected. Your squeeze is looking good though. If your ADX does manage to go below, this is probably gonna be a rally to the upside. If your ADX doesn't, then this is probably gonna be the same thing and just more dumping. Let's go for the 3-day and the weekly super fast as well. Yeah, 3-day. Let me just zoom in to see this. I need to see this. 3-day still not confirmed as bullish. You need both of them to be above the 20. It's close. It's close. I'm gonna say it is close, but you need these to go above the 20 to be bullish. And even when they do go above the 20 to be bullish, you can see that the higher time frames are what dictates what's coming next. And the higher time frames, which can make basically a new high before a dump, the higher time frames are bearish. We are under the 80 level on the stochastic. We're about to cross bearish on the weekly, and your RSI is also below that 70 region. So yeah, weekly looking bad. It's not looking good for me, in my opinion. And we have a divergence of volume as well on the weekly. Your price going up and your volume going down, and you can see the big wicks are basically selling volume more than buying volume. So yeah, up till now it's looking dangerous, to say the least. It is looking dangerous. Just so you know, we break 40, for me it's over. Even 43, it starts to become like the bear scenario is right there in front of us. We just don't want to accept it, and the market is just playing us, hooking us in, hooking us out. I'm gonna be very firm with this. We do break our all-time high, we talk about the bullish scenario. Till then, everything's scary. You can lose your money anywhere here. And because this time it's different, the market can do a different thing. It can go do this, it can do a double top, it can do anything it wants. It can go another 5 to 60, another time to 65 and dump again. If this is a bull run, you will probably see spikes in volume and spike in price. You're not going to see decline in volume and decline in price or whatever. You're going to see spikes in volume all the time. And the monthly, which is the final one. So like I said, if we change this view, you will probably see it a little bit more clearer. But this is not something that you should be happy about when you see a lot of red candles like this in a month with a huge volume. You need to see this to be in a rally. Increasing volume on the monthly, pushing the price up and up and up and up. So yeah, that's my general analysis. The short term, I think there's a pullback. We hold above for 45k region. We'll probably expect that 50k to be reached. The perfect hook would probably be a 55k pump in the next coming month, and then a drop to the abyss by December. So yeah, I just want you guys to take care of yourself and to just keep that DCA strategy and that stop loss strategy all the time. Every time you see the red, enter, put a stop loss. Just because if it dumps more, at least it kicks you out with your stop loss and you don't lose a lot of money, and then you can rebuy the proper low one more time. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Share, like, and subscribe, please. Try to make this channel grow so I can keep providing these videos for you. Follow me on Twitter. I do post a lot of stuff there as well. The link is in the description below. And if you want to inquire about my private paid Discord group, you can also message me in the link below through my Telegram, my private Telegram. So just send me a message and I'll answer anything you want. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again next time.